Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. What is up with you all? I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to create Kiara Advani's look from Shershah. Yes, she looks so beautiful, simple and elegant in that movie. So yes, I decided to create one of her looks from that movie. Let's see how it turns out. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I'm going to create this look of Kiara. Let's start it. So before begin with the makeup, I am using this Nivea moisturizer to prep my skin. Choosing moisturizer for your skin is a crucial part, and this moisturizer I love it as it's not too heavy on my skin. Now that my skin is well moisturized, I am going to prep my face with primer. I am using CVB primer. You might not see the product on my face as it's very transparent. Take a small amount, it goes a long way. You can use blender or brush. I am going to do it with my fingertips and blend this product all over my face nicely. I think primer is so important step. It gives you a smooth, nice base and makes your makeup last long. So next I'm using this HD Pro concealer to cover my dark circles and dark patches. I don't have any dark spots or acne, so I'm just going to apply under eyes, on lids and the corner of my lips. That's it. I am using ring finger to blend it properly. I prefer to blend with my fingertips rather than using blender. I feel like it just absorbs your product. This concealer really gives a nice coverage, you can see it. I am using Lakme foundation now. Apply it all over your face and don't forget your neck. And it's a blending time. I am using Huda Beauty blender. Start it from the middle of your face and go outwards. Remember, always use damp sponge as it creates a smooth and more even texture. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key. And finally we are done, just with the base makeup. Let's move to the eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from the Factory Fashion Club and I'm taking the dark brown shade and apply it across the entire lid. I'm just going to apply this dark brown shade and blend it properly, just keeping it simple. Now I am using LA18 Kajal. I'm not gonna apply eyeliner for this look. I want to keep it simple and not too dramatic. I am going to apply on lower lash line and upper lash line as well. I think Kajal make eyes look so beautiful. If you agree, do let me know in comment section. I am using eyebrow pencil to fill my brows. Here I am done with eye makeup. No, wait, I am missing out something. How can I forget about mascara? So let's do it. I am using Super Curl Lions Beauty Mascara. I'm not going to say anything here. I guess my expressions are pretty much enough for that. I really try to keep my face normal. but I just can't. When it comes to mascara, I just can't. Using My Glam Lid lipstick for blush. The name of this lipstick is so unique. It says The Good Wife. Blending it nicely with fingertips. I am using Glam highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, forehead, chin and nose bridge. I love this type of the makeup. I don't have highlighter brush, so I am using powder brush to apply it. You can apply it with your fingers. And for nose, I am simply applying it with my fingertip. So let's add some life on the face by applying lipstick. First I am using lip liner to border my lips. It's again from My Glam. Now that I'm done with lip liner, I'm using lipstick which is from Lotus to fill my lips. And finally our makeup is done. To set this makeup, I am using setting spray which is from Huda Beauty. Hold the bottle a bit away from your face, spray slightly few times to ensure that all bits of your face is covered. Let it dry and you are done. So our makeup is done, but not our whole look. So I'll be back with my hair done. Let's complete this look with bindi, jhumkas and that pink dupatta. I hope you love this look. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe, bye.